Hey guys, I'm going to show you what I got today, and it's like a drawing unit to put all my fidget toys in. So I'm going to show you this them and stuff. So yeah, and it's really cool. So in this one there's really nothing in it, so you can take them out and stuff. For €7. So in this drawer is my stress ball and my zapper, like the one I got last week. It's really cool. This is there. So yeah. Then in this one is this one I got last week. Oh, sorry. This one I got. This one's my favorite one. And this one. And then this one, this is my new one I got today. And this is my old one. This one I got last week. And this one I got last week as well. So I'm gonna open this now. So I'm gonna count how many I have, I say. I have 10 altogether, but I'm getting more very soon. And so yeah, that's what I got today. And I got the unit today and a new puppet today. I'll show you my new puppet. This is my new puppet, and I'm gonna pop them. Yeah, repokes really cool though. So yeah, and this really pokes really cool. So yeah, so that's this is my new puppet I got today. So we had a connection with all my rest of them. So yeah guys, bye guys.